Hello students, welcome to Web Technology online classes. Today I am going to explain about the concept of Prass elements. So Prass elements are nothing but already it has contained different elements, but these all elements will work on teletype text. It can by default it will take the teletype text. In the previous classes, in the previous class I have explained about the text formatting tags. So all tags are useful for the text decoration and formatting purpose. But these are also same thing. But these are the previous version tags. In this session, we will discuss each and every step by step for the Prass elements. What are the Prass elements? A few examples I am giving here. Actually, number of Prass elements we have. In that, for your understanding purpose, a few examples I am taking. I am giving for a few examples. EM means emphasized text. EM means emphasized text. Next, strong text, nothing but bold. Nothing but bold. In the previous class, text formatting tags. In the text formatting tags, we have the tag B tag. B tag, opening and closing tag. Actually, what purpose it can use? For the text bolding purpose. Here also, the strong tag is also work like bold tag. So that's why it is also equal to bold. Emphasized means it is equal to italic text. In the text formatting tags, I tag is there now. So like that, it is also work like a italic tag. But these all are by default work on teletype text, teletype font. Address tag is for address purpose only. If you want to display your address in the different format, for that address tag we can use. Black code is nothing but if you want to differentiate, if you want to show a differentiate from one section to another section, black code we can use. And mark tag is also if you want to highlight any text, for that mark tag we can use. And BDO means BDO tag is nothing but bidirectional tag, bidirectional tag. From one direction to another direction, we can simply reverse order. We can simply print the reverse order. If you use the BDO tag, by default it will take the left to right format. And if you want to print a reverse order, for that also BDO has one attribute that nothing but direction. Nothing but direction attribute we have. By giving an additional information for that, it will print the reverse order also. So the direction functional BDO functionalities will change by our given instructions. Our given instructions. Next, EM is emphasized text. The first example we have to see right now. For that, I am opening one notepad window. For that, doc type HTML information we need to give the interpreter for the execution purpose. The version is intimating for the browser. Next, root element HTML opening and closing. These two are root element for the HTML program. Next, head tag we can apply. In this between two head tags, opening and closing head tags, title tag we need to configure. Opening tag and closing tag. If you use title tag, the web page name we can simply apply and we can see the at output page. PHRS Prass elements. Prass elements. Next, body tag I am using, opening tag and closing tag. First I am applying normal text. Normal text. So it will take the by default one font and it can print the normal way. After that, EM I am using emphasized text na. So this is emphasized text. Now I am saving this one. phrac pras.html all files click save. Okay, now I'm executing this one on the file. Double click. If you give the double click, then the file will execute. Okay, this is normal text. The normal font, it can be used internally, but this is emphasizer text, so it is applicable. It is applied on teletype text and also italic way. It is also similar like to italic font. Next, after that, strong text. It is also equal to bold. In between strong text, first we need to configure one paragraph. This is G. Pullareddy. This is G. Pullareddy. Only the strong tag has configured for the G. Pullareddy words. Degree, college. Then only you can see the difference between normal text and strong text. I am refreshing this page. All of you carefully observe. It is printing in the bold way, na? So that's why it is called this one. The next tag is nothing but address. And here address tag I am using. In between these two address tags, hash 301 Mehdipatnam, Hyderabad 28. So now I am saving again this one, minimizing this window, again refreshing that one. It is printing in the different way, na? It is printing in the different way for the address tag. And black code is also used for, here one BR tag I am using. After that, black quote, opening and closing. If one section to another section, if you want to show a different variation, for that we need to use. Here one large sentence I required, that's why I am typing computer applications what in Google. Here some paragraph is came, so I am copying from here to here, just showing purpose. If you want to take any other paragraph, then you will take, no problem. Don't take same paragraph. I am saving this file again and I am refreshing this one. So this is showing one separate section like that. Next, mark tag is also, in the previous class I have explained about the mark tag. Again I am explain this one. Here if you want to highlight any text, for that particular text, in between this mark tag we have to apply. I am refreshing this page. All of you carefully observe. From here to here I have configured. Here I opened mark tag and here I closed mark tag. So from there to here the text has highlighted. Next, BDO tag. BDO tag is nothing but bidirectional tag. Without any attribute BDO I can apply. By default it will take. By default it will take this name left to right. All of you carefully observe. Sorry, here I need to give the one break, line break required. So in the second line it is printing na Rahul. Same thing, same tag I am using, but one extra attribute I am using. I want to change the direction of reading of that name. So dir is the attribute for that, is equal right to left, RTL, the first letters we need to configure and go to file menu, choose save option, and I am refreshing this page. And here I am giving one BR tag also. Then only you can simply understand. Go to file menu, choose save option, minimizing this window, refreshing this window. Reversely, it is printing now. The output is showing like that in the reverse order. Like that, these many options we have in the press words. And next one, in the text formatting tags, I forgot one thing. If you want to highlight any tag in between double quotes, for that quotes is also there. Quotes tag, quotes, opening and quotes. So if you want to apply this tag at any way, and in this paragraph, normal text is there now. Here I am applying this one. The normal text is copying from here to here in between quotes. All of you carefully observe. So actually the normal output is what? Normal text is it is printing now. Now I am refreshing this page. Quotes can apply like this. Okay, spelling wrong I think. Q-U-O-T. Quote I think. Not quotes. Oh, sorry. It is not printing. Why? Q-U-O-T. Yes, quotes and HTML. Sorry, quotes, for the quotes purpose Q is only Q is enough. Don't give entire this one. And save again. Go to file menu, choose save option, again refresh that page. So double quotes came now. Like that we have to use. Next, character entities. Now the concept is character entities. E-N-T-I-T-I-E-S. Character entities. What are the character entities here? What are the character entities here? Now I am closing all those things. Again I am opening one more notepad window. HTML is the root element. So now my requirement is, now I want to print a less than. Here angular bracket I am giving now. HTML opening and closing. Angular brackets I am using. But this is markup language. If you want to give any word in between these angular brackets, the browser can treat like this. It is a tag. It is a tag, HTML tag. Then if you want to print less than or greater than, how it will print? There is no chance. Am I correct or not? And also, now I am printing paragraph. Now I am printing one paragraph. So for that I am opening one computer applications paragraph is there. So this is paragraph. Save entities dot html. Saving. So it is simple paragraph. So all of you carefully observe. An application or application program is a software program that runs on your computer. This is output. After this statement, I want some 2 words space. 2 words space. For that I am giving here 2 spaces. This many spaces I am giving and save this file. Again I am refreshing this page. Is it taking any space here? Here I given this much space now. But in the executing time, the white spaces has removed by the interpreter. The white spaces has removed by the interpreter. If you want to forcefully apply that white spaces, compulsory we need to use entities and also and less than, greater than, all those things. If you want to use, then for that also it has the problem because of here less than also used and greater than also used. If you want to use it in between text, it will not print. All of you carefully observe. Here I am one less than I am using, saving this one, refresh this page. It is printing, but it is also expecting closing tag also. It is expecting closing tag also. All of you carefully observe. Because of if you close that anywhere, then the remaining sentence it will display. The remaining sentence it will display. Now I am removing the less than symbol. It will print all the sentence here. So now I want to print this much space for that. For that, character entities we have. For the non-breaking space purpose, non-breaking space purpose, we can use end NBSP short form. Non first letter N, B, S, NBSP. So along with end operator NBSP we can use non-breaking space. These syntaxes we can use. All of you carefully observe. Here I am applying, instead of this giving space, I am applying like this and NBSP semicolon, NBSP semicolon, and here also one time is not enough because of 3 spaces I want here. So 3 times you need to give here. So that's why I am copying and pasting 3 times. And 4 times also. It will occupy one more space. And go to file menu, choose save option. If you have done any modification in your file, immediately go to file menu, choose save option. Otherwise, your previous execution file will execute. Current modification file not executed. So for that, compulsory each and every time if you give and if you do any mistake and if you correct anything, immediately you go to file menu, choose save option, and I am going to file menu and choosing save option. Now I am minimizing this window and also minimizing this window also, and now I am refreshing this page. All of you carefully observe. Here applied space now. 4 spaces here applied. All of you carefully observe because of 4 NBSP statements, syntax statements I have used it. So that's why 4 spaces forcefully it can taken. So that is the white space character entity we need to use for the, if you want any white space at anywhere in HTML, directly if you give the space it will not take. So for that, these entities we need to take. And again, these how many types we have and character entities for the less than purpose. For the less than purpose and LT semicolon. For the greater than purpose, and GT semicolon. Ampersand purpose, AMP and AMP semicolon we can use. And copyright purpose, copyright purpose at and COPY semicolon. If the registered trademark is there, na, registered trademark. So all of you carefully observe. This is copyright symbol, na, like that. If the trademark is also or symbol is there, na, the trademark if you want the trademark, so that one is also and symbol REG we can use semicolon. Registered marks, sorry, this one is registered mark because of R letter, na, REGISTER registered mark. Trademark has separate entity you have. TH trademark and TRAD, understand, semicolon. These symbols if you want to represent in the HTML document, compulsory these character entities we have to write like this. Already NBSP over non-breakable space has completed, and again H1 tag, for your understanding purpose it will display a big format, that's why H1 I am using. The next concept is less than. So how the less than will print? Less than here and LT semicolon. I am saving this one. Again I am refreshing, reloading this page. So less than it is printing, na, same format. For the greater than purpose I am using. For the greater than, go to file menu, choose save option. Again I am refreshing this page. So greater than symbol, sorry, here I haven't changed anything. GT this one. Save. Again refresh. So greater than symbol is also came. Next, what is the symbol? Ampersand. Ampersand. I am copying this one, and this one is also I am copying, space and AMP semicolon. Again go to file menu, choose save option, and this page I am refreshing. So ampersand end operator it is printing, na. Here I haven't used it at anywhere, na, ampersand symbol. This is syntax only, that's it, only syntax. Again one more H1, again one more H1, and what the symbol, if you want to show the, if you want to represent a copyright symbol, for that copyright we can use, and copy symbol we can use, COPY semicolon, ampersand and copy statement we can use. If you use like that, the output will show like this. Copyright operator symbol it can showing, it is showing, all of you carefully observe. This is copyright symbol. So these all are entities, character entities. Registered mark is also same. Registered mark is also same, and REG semicolon. Refresh this one, or registered mark is there, na, is came. Next, TH symbol, trademarks. Trademark. trademark, and trade is the semicolon for the trademark. Save again, refreshing this page. So TM symbol is also came. So now all entities has completed. Actually there are number of entities we have, but here I given a few example for your understanding purpose. That's it. Understand? Okay. Character entity is also over. In the next class we will discuss. In the next class I will come with the very hot topic in the new concept. I will come with the new concept. So all of you carefully read these statements and also practice by at home. Then only you will get the complete awareness on this subject. So it is a colorful subject. If you want to apply anything, if you want to if you want to do any web programming, automatically you will get the web designing awareness. So character entities is also over, and also some text formatting tags, extra text formatting tags also completed. Next parse elements, class elements also completed. Text formatting concept is also over. Text formatting elements are also called presentational elements. Presentational elements. HTML concepts are, if you want to know more HTML concept, then go to the official website w3schools.com. It is HTML provided organization. Sorry, W3 schools not there. It is not recommended, but W3C organization. w3.org. So in this, for the web technologies mechanisms, and the syntax is also providing this company W3 organization, Worldwide Web Consortium. So that's why it is called. In these three W's we have, that's why W3 consortium is see, first letter it has added W3C organization. HTML provided company, HTML invented company. It is providing the support for the HTML, all web technologies. Thank you very much. Today I am closing this session, and in the next class we will discuss a new concept. Thank you very much.